Arigatani ni makoretwo makiuga thirikari itiganiirie mabataro mao riri mari muharini wa mbere kuhurana na kinguki gia COVID-19. Umuthi mutafariri wa mihango ministry ni ugima wa mwiri Mwandiki akiuga thirikari matiganiirie.
Healthcare workers are our frontline soldiers in this war against the pandemic. And contrary to the reports circulating in sections of the media and elsewhere, we have not neglected them.
If this sector is not important, then tell us once and for all. But don't take us round in circles and show us that you're trying to improve the sector, and yet on the other hand, you're not addressing the pertinent issues in this sector.
Mamwe ma maundu maria marigitari aya marenda makorwo ni marihi ma insurance. Mwandiki akiuga kuri na insurance cover ya aruti wira muingi marigitari undu umwe na aruti wira ruhonge rwa NYS kiama gia KMPDU gikirigana na ndeto ino.
After elaborate consultative meetings with all key stakeholders, including the Ministry of Public Service amongst others, it was agreed that in addition to enhancing the existing group personal accident cover and work injury benefits act cover, the provisions should be extended to include a comprehensive group life cover to cater for all causes of death.
The issue of comprehensive medical cover, what was unveiled is still not addressing the concerns that we raised. Doctors working in county governments have been excluded. Doctors in parastatals, Kenyatta National Hospital, Kenyatta University and Referral Hospital, Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital have been excluded. Doctors working in the universities.
Kurumirira makaya marigitani makwaga indo cia kwigitira makirigitarwa rua murimo wa COVID-19. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi wa Kagweshu meigere hituku ni athire KEMSA kwendia PPEs na thogoro ria wi thoko. Kiama giki gikiuga arigitani aria mari makaunti-ini matire na matonyo ma kuigana.
The Cabinet Secretary in the Ministry of Health directed that KEMSA supplies PPEs to all counties at the prevailing market rates, and that position has not changed.
The issue of PPEs, directives from the ministry to counties will not solve the issue of PPEs. We know that county governments do not take directive from anyone in this country. It is not rocket science, it is things we have seen practically.
Riu kiama giki ni kiugite gitikuhirio gicande ringi gukirikana arigitani makoretwo makinyitwo ni corona matari mathibitari-ini. Chibanzi akiuga marigitari makoretwo makiruta wira mathaa maingi mari mathibitari-ini akihinyiriria murugamo wao wa kuiga miro thii nducenjetie nginyanagia mabataro mao mahingio.
Because doctors spend up to 12 and 19 hours in hospitals serving Kenyans. So you cannot come and insult us and tell us that doctors are getting COVID in bars. That is an insult to the profession and we will not take it lightly.
Maya mokite oriri namba ya arwaru wa murimo wa COVID-19 yongererekete na arwaru 727 na gukinyaniria ithabu ria bururi ginyanagia andu 78,512 andu 806 makihona murimo uyu na arwaru 17 magitorio ni murimo uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, retoroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.